How to change the clock face style for your Amazfit Balance or any other Amazfit smartwatch. This is without it being connected to the app itself. So once you're viewing the clock face here like that, you will long press on the clock face. So long press, you'll notice it turns like this. You'll also feel a vibration here. And whatever clock faces you have already installed on your watch, you'll be able to select from any of them. Okay, so you just browse over. There's different styles, and some of them will have that edit icon here. That means you can actually make changes to it. And the ones that you can't won't have that edit icon, all right? So once you've found the one that you like, you'll just select it and you will have it set as that from now on, okay? And you can come back now and long press that same clock face like that and go to the edit here, and you can make changes to what shows up on it. So each one of them will have something different on it, okay? You can choose that here, and that's kind of limited to a different style for every one of them, okay? So if I go back here now, and I want to choose another one, maybe like this one here, and stick with this one right there, okay? So that's up to you to make that decision. Like and sub.